To put a contact shortcut on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so you can easily go to the contacts detail, you have to add a contact widget to your home screen and then assign the desired contact to the widget. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen, and then tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen to find contacts. Tap contacts. Now tap and hold the contact once times one widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. Now select the desired contact you like to assign to the widget. With this widget, now you can easily go to the contact details of the selected contact by single tapping the widget. Here you can do the required action you like to do, as the example, edit contact information, call or send messages, change the ringtone and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.